Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to change your Google Chrome download location. It's pretty simple, so let's do it right now. The first step you have to do, obviously open your Google Chrome browser and you're gonna click on these three dots on the right corner, on the top right corner, right? Click there. And now, don't worry, my Google Chrome display is in Portuguese language, but I will translate everything to you. Now you have to click in this option here, settings, and now looking for the option download, right? Now look, we have this option here called location, and you're gonna click on change here in this button. Click on this button here, and look at how simple it is. You just have to choose the way, the location of the folder that you have to put your downloads now. For example, if you want to change for images or songs, videos, you just have to click on it and you can also create a new folder. For example, if you want to create a new folder, uh, if you want to put your downloads in a folder in your desktop, you just have to click on desktop and create a new folder here. New folder and type the name, okay? And you click on it and select the folder, and now your Google Chrome location is changed. Okay, so I hope I helped you. If I really helped you, please leave a comment below. I will leave on the important videos in the end screens here, and see you in the next. Bye.